welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you want to see how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer and I used it as a primer. And all I did was I applied it all over my eyelid and then I blended it out and then set everything in place with some translucent powder. The eyeshadow palette that I went in with is the Colourpop Wild Nothing eyeshadow palette. And this is what it looks like on the inside. The first shade that I went in with is Morning Side, and I just applied that in my crease as my transition shade, just applying it all over, going in back and forth motions and circular motions. And this is just going to be like the background shade before we go in with deeper shades. Next, I went in with the shade No Bounds, and this is a deep brown shade. And I just picked that up with a defined angled brush, and I'm just starting to map out where I want to add definition in my crease. And then going back into that transition shade, I just put it directly over that line just to really blend it out. Even though we want definition, we still want it to be blended. So just going in circular motions and back and forth motions, and you could even take some of that deeper brown shade if you still want to blend it out even more, if you feel like just going in with that transition shade isn't enough, because there is a pretty big difference in shade. The transition shade is super light, and then that brown shade is very dark, so if you have to go back between the two shades, then go ahead and do that. Next, I went in with the Dose of Colors Francation palette, and I went in with this green shade Dirty Money, and I just packed it all over my lid. And then going back into that really deep brown shade in the palette, I just started to feather it from the outer corner, fading it inwards just to blend it into that green shade. And for lashes, I went in with our Sophie Bella lashes in the style Bahama. I'll always leave a link in the description box down below if you guys want to check out our lash brand. We appreciate your guys' support so much. So after I applied that lash, I just went in with that transition shade on my lower lash line, just going in back and forth motions, mainly focusing it on the outer corner. And then I went in with that brown shade and just mainly focused it on the outer corner, blending it into that first transition shade. And the last thing that I did was I applied some lower lash mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!